Whenever you have to carry out the same operation on multiple sheets, you can use the grouping functionality. Let's see how it is applied and how it can help us edit multiple sheets at the same time. Imagine the following situation. Your boss asks you to create an Excel file that contains the income statements of 5 companies operating in the same industry. The income statements of these companies have the same formats, given they operate in the same industry. Right. An efficient way to start this exercise is to create a single structure that can be used for all 5 companies. Here's how grouping can help you speed up the process. Create 5 empty sheets and select the first one. There are 2 ways to group sheets in Excel. The first one involves holding the Control key and then selecting the other sheets one by one. The second way is to hold the Shift key and press the last worksheet to be grouped. Now, obviously, all 5 worksheets have been selected. Let's create an income statement. Revenue, COGS, gross profit. I'll stop for a second and check out what's happening in the other sheets. As you can see, the information we typed is already there. Great! Here's where you must be careful. You should always remember that you are working in group mode, and every time a cell in one of these sheets changes, the other sheets will change as well. Therefore, try to be alert when grouping sheets. You can exit group mode easily. Click on one of the sheets outside your group without using Control or Shift, and you can edit sheets as usual, one by one. This is how you can use the grouping functionality to be more efficient when carrying out repetitive tasks. Thanks for watching.